It should come as no surprise that the all-new Tundra was redesigned from the ground up. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the US, there's no question this is the toughest, most capable, most advanced Tundra to date. Improvements and enhancements abound, including its new high-strength box steel ladder frame, aluminum-reinforced composite bed, and fully redesigned multi-link rear suspension. The outcome of development efforts gives the stout new Tundra an impressive maximum towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds and a max payload capacity of 1,940 pounds. Tundra will offer two different powerplant configurations. A new highly efficient twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine offers impressive output by itself, producing up to 389 horsepower and 479 pounds-foot of torque. When paired with a brilliantly engineered bell housing motor system called the iForce Max, the result is a combined performance output of 437 horsepower and a whopping 583 pounds-foot of torque. Both configurations will be mated to a new 10-speed automatic transmission,